Hey everybody, welcome back to Tech Odyssey. So today I'm here with a review of Nomad's new Slim Wallet with tile tracking. So this is a little bit different from the last Nomad Wallet review that I did that has the built-in iPhone charger. Well, this one has an integrated hidden pocket inside of it that has a tile tracking device in it. So the tile tracking device, it's a company called Tile. They make these little tiles you can see here. And what that does is allows you to track down your wallet or other products you might happen to buy the tiles for, so you can figure out where it's at if you lost it. I mean, I even heard of somebody putting one on the collar of like their cat. So I guess if it wanders off, they can go find it. But in case your wallet wanders off, you can find it. Or if you misplace it and you're like, you got a million things going on and you can't figure out where you left your wallet, well, this enables you to use the Tile app on iPhone or Android, and you can go to the app, press the button, and it does a little chime thing. It's really cool, and it plays it until you turn it off so you can find it. So a little bit about this. It's only available in this one brown leather color that they have, but just like all of Nomad's other products, it has the Horween leather on it, which has been around since 1905. Vegetable tan, authentic leather. It's genuine and it's amazing. And the cool thing about the leather that they use is it develops this patina over time, which is the change in the leather based off of the interaction with your oils, minerals on your hands, the exposure to the environment and the elements. It's really cool, and I'll show you a little bit of a difference here. So this is a brand spanking new one. I've been using it for a few days. It doesn't really have any beauty marks, blemishes, cuts, anything in it yet. It's just very plain and clean. And then this is the one that I've been using for about 2 months now, and you can see it develops its own unique characteristics. The leather is a little bit darker. The sheen is a little bit different. You can tell it's been used. It's got this amazing stitching around the edges. It's just really good quality leather. And you can see, this one is a little bit brighter, and it will darken with time. And each one is, of course, different because everyone carries and uses theirs differently. So I love this wallet. Now I'm using this one. So this one, we'll go ahead and look at the box here real quick. The tile location tracking, which is built in on the inside in here, it's in this little pocket tucked away, so you don't have to worry about it falling out or anything. It's Bluetooth enabled, which is how it tracks it and it connects to your phone or other device you're using the tile software on. So integrated tile pocket, and then holding capabilities. Each card holds up to 3 cards, so each card slot. And it's got an additional quick access card slot on the outside of the wallet, which you can see where I have this card here. So super cool, super thin. It's got a nice thin minimalistic profile to it. It's not bulky. I forget it's in my pocket half the time because I've been using the other one so much, which is much bulkier and heftier. This is the packaging. Comes with little inserts and stuff. And then it has the how-to guide telling you how to download and connect the app. You can locate it with sound, last place seen, community find, which is really cool. You can go in, I'll show you on the app in a second. You can send out an email link to other people that have tile software, and they can help you look for it. So not only can you look for it, but you can have other people help you look for it too. And it comes with this nifty little pouch, which is nice. Anyway, Nomad puts a lot of time and effort into their products, which is one of the reasons why I love reviewing them so much. So hands-on with the wallet. You can see, like I said, it's got that Horween leather. It's got the stitching around the edges. It's got this convenience card slot here. And then on the inside, you've got 3 slots here, which you can triple slot those, as it says. And you got the 1 slot here, and the little pouch on the inside if you want to tuck something away there. So I think I've got 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 different cards, 9 on the outside. So it holds up to 12. I've got 9 in there. And really, it's just been, I've really enjoyed it. And with wallets, it's not something you change out very often. So I know like the $79 price tag that it has might seem a little bit steep. But if you take into consideration it's got the tile in there, which I think those are like 20, 30 bucks a piece. You get the good quality Horween leather that's got on here, the great manufacturing process, the quality of the materials, and really it just looks sharp. It's impressive. I got a lot of questions about it, and it's super cool. I wish it had the ability, it had a cash slot in it, like the bifold or trifold wallet, so you could put money in there. I know it's the year 2018, and not a lot of people carry cash on them anymore, but I do sometimes, and when I do, it's nice. So this is the Tile app. And sorry about the brightness there. It's overpowering my screen. So I'll show you when it pulls up. I've already got it paired, and this is what happens when you hit the find button. So that tile thing has the built-in speaker, so it just keeps playing the sound until you find it, which is really nice. So if it's underneath your backpack, you left it in your pants when you hung them up in the closet, easy to find that way. And you just hit done when you want it to quit. The other options, you can view it on the map. So the map will work with the GPS, and it'll pull it up, and you can see where on the map your phone's at. Not your phone, but your wallet. So you got that feature. Share with, like is what I was saying here, you can type in an email address and you can send it out, share with contacts, or you can just share a link with somebody and they can click on that, and then it will enable them to help you find your wallet as well. And then details, you can plug in the details here, hide tile, transfer tile, replace tile, in case you need to put a new tile in there if for some reason this one goes bad, and just the basic information on the wallet itself. So overall, I think it's a really nifty feature because wallets are something that, just like keys, and you can get another tile if you want to put it on your keys and connect it through the same device. So if you're missing your wallet, bam, it's already built in, look it up. If you need one for your keys, go buy one of those, you can look it up that way as well. So overall, my impression of this device configuration built in with the wallet is a really creative way to find a way to stand out from just having a regular wallet. Plus, it's very small, it holds a lot of cards. You can fit it right in your pocket, you can put it in your backpack, anywhere. It's easy to tote around, and it looks great. So, again, you can pick it up at $79.95. It's available through Nomad's website, hellonomad.com. And this is the Slim Wallet with tile tracking. So, as always, thanks for tuning in. If you have any questions about the wallet, go ahead and leave them down in the comment section. I'll get back with you. As always, hit the subscribe button, share, and I appreciate y'all taking the time to watch these videos. And I'll see y'all next time.